Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Wednesday, September 27, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 4 3/4 points to 2,500 and a quarter per contract. All in all, when you look at the futures, they've been steadily rising. It did have a little bit of a pullback around 5 o'clock in the morning, but the market has gone up towards the highs of the session. So we'll see how this plays out today. Yesterday, the market really just put in a little bit of a flat day. The S&P finishing up just 18 cents when it was all said and done. We'll see what today gives us. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, and that's where we want to focus to try to make some money. First stock we're going to look at today is going to be NKE, which is Nike. They reported earnings. The stock is getting hit a little bit. Closed at $53.70, now trading at $52. The stock at the moment, when I look at this name, does have a little bit of support around the $51 area. However, with that being said, that doesn't mean we can't trade through it. So again, be a little bit on the cautious side. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll try to determine if there are any good patterns or levels, and we'll take it from there. But again, Nike under pressure this morning after reporting earnings. Now, anytime you have Nike down, you also want to watch Under Armour. Under Armour right now trading at $16.45. This closed at $16.54 yesterday, so that is down a little bit. Finish Line, FINL is another name. That stock's trading at $10.90, closed at $11.08. And then you have Foot Locker, which has been beaten up as well. That closed at $35.12, now trading at $34.70. So all of these stocks are in play today on the back of Nike news, and we'll see how it plays out. But again, we'll be watching Nike first and foremost once the opening bell rings, see if we have any intraday levels there. But let's see where it actually opens and see what kind of pattern forms on the charts. Next up, we want to take a look at Micron. Big chip player here. Stock is catching a very, very good bid. It closed at $34.18 yesterday. It is now trading at $36.15. So Micron with a pretty good little move here. The stock trading higher. It is into a monthly chart double top. If you take a look at a monthly chart, you'll see the stock is into this high pivot. But that doesn't mean it can't go above it. That doesn't mean it can't go to something like $37.50. I think that is going to be probably your intraday resistance, $37.50, $37.75, somewhere down up there at that level. So again, keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out today. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own Micron, leave it alone at this point in time. We'll give it the upside bias slightly at the moment. Let's take a look here at CTAS, which is Cintas. They reported earnings as well. Looks like the stock right now is trading at $142.30, closed at $136.10. No real volume. There's no real volume down here. So again, don't make too much out of it. We'll look at it when it opens up for live trading at 9:30. Let's take a look at Twilio, TWLO. This got hammered yesterday from news coming out saying that Amazon is getting into that business. Today, the stock is recuperating, though. Look at the stock right now trading at 29 and a quarter, closed yesterday at 27.52. So a real good snapback for Twilio. We'll see what goes on there. I'm not sure of the news today on that name, but I did see the move here. Let's take a look at Twitter. TWTR is the ticker symbol here. They're supposedly moving to double their character use. I don't even know if that's a big deal. They should double their use of members. So the stock right now is trading at 16.88, closed at 16.59. But nonetheless, we'll see how that plays out. Right now, there's no pattern that gets me excited about Twitter. So be a little bit on the cautious side there. Let's take a look at Ambarella, AMBA. The stock right now is trading up nicely. I'm not sure of the news here. Check it out yourself. This closed at 45.60, now trading at 47.70. So nice little pop for Ambarella. Again, a lot of resistance coming up around the 49 and a quarter level. If it gets there today, that is going to be the daily chart 50 moving average. You can see it here. If you take a look at the chart, that's a pretty good resistance point right there. So again, we'll see how that plays out. Looking over at the next stock on our radar here is going to be Michael Kors, K-O-R-S. This stock got an upgrade today, trading at $48. Again, I think this is already overbought, so be careful with this. There's a ton of resistance at 50. I'm not even sure it gets there, but it is already overbought, so be careful here. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be a buyer up here in this name. Let's take a look at TRVG, which I believe is Trivago. Stock right now is getting hammered. Closed at $11.21. Now trading at $10.85. So nice little downtick there. Again, this is a new issue. Really, company just came public, I believe, in December of 2016. So there's really not a lot we could do here with this name. We'll look at this one maybe if it gets down to $10, but there's not a lot that I would be looking to do at this moment. So keep that on the radar. We'll see how it plays out, but these are all in play today. Next up, we want to take a look at gold. Gold is getting hammered again today. Gold futures down about $15 right now to $1,287 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 122. I have support for GLD around the 120.75 to 121 level on GLD, so we'll see how that goes. But right now, gold is getting hit on spot. Next up, we want to take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil right now trading higher by 6 pennies to $51.94 a barrel. Crude just continues to climb. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see that's trading at $10.50, up a penny from yesterday's close. Spot crude again higher by 6 cents right now to $51.94 a barrel. All right, we're going to leave it there. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017, great start to the week. And again, we're going to look to keep that going right into Friday and also into the end of the year. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. And again, you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.